Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing my name Thoriqul Aslam, 8th semester student Psychology Study Program, Faculty of Psychology and Education, Muhammadiyah University, Sidoarjo. The title of my article is Parenting Style of Parents with Children Who Excel Academically. Introduction. Children are the greatest asset owned by parents. Children are an eternal inheritance bestowed by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala to each his servants. Children are successor as well as perpetuators perfection of parental mandates. Through the ownership of children by parents, parents can express gratitude for the child, namely through good parenting. Parents have a central role in this the family as the small social home base and the principle of commitment to release social function as well as educational function. Fostering my patterns consists of two words, namely patterns and foster care. According to the Big Indonesian Dictionary, that pattern are model system or how to work. Foster is to take care, educate, guide, help, train, and so on. Based on the result of initial research study at SDN Sukurame 3, there are several students who have academic achievement in the form of ranking in the top 3 in their school with an average score above the minimum completion criteria, which is above their classmates. KKM is a form assessment of student learning outcome, which is obtained from the average of student final grades. After one semester and passing a series of examination process, the author had the opportunity to interview a student, stating that the learning outcome obtained were inseparable from parental guidance at home. Guidance by parents obtained by children can have an impact on student academic achievement. Research question: what is the style of parents in parenting children with excel academically at SDN 3 Sukorame? Method: research method, descriptive, qualitative with a phenomenological approach. Research subject: 3 parents who have children with academic achievement. Data analysis technique, data triangulation, data collection techniques, observation, and interview. The result: thematic data analysis from in-depth plot with 3 subjects showed the experience of 3 subjects who took care of children with academic achievement. Namely, 1. Feeling of subject when become parents, feeling of participants when becoming parents and having children based on participant response. Namely, participant 1. Happy because I want a girl's child. Participant 2, my feeling is so happy because I can educate children and teach children who are good children. The meaning of a child and the impression of having a child, the feeling of participant when blessed with children and having children based on participant response are everything for me. My life goals are finally for children, who for children and also make children top in the top priority. Participant 1. Participant 2, in my view, what should girls are most loved in my opinion. Participant 3, children are very important, meaning that without children, there is no young generation in the future. When we finish, there will be a change. Parenting method applied. Method and patterns applied by parents related to child care. Based on participant response, parenting, yes, I will work from morning until now. So the control is only in the afternoon if it is cool in the morning. If it is studying in the morning, it is in the morning. Teaching in the afternoon when going home. He just read participant 2, he Jasid is the left brain of the right brain that teaches more to listen. He is like not paying known or what. So I teach or what is not directly in not long theory. Then when teaching mathematics, how to teach directly reads when he is good at reading. Participatory, if learning is something difficult, I keep telling them to learn. Yes, I supervise playing time as playing, learning time is learning. Appreciation in children, achievement. Parents effort when children get achievement, children achievement in academic field. According to response from participant, clear appreciation price, definite appreciation, it must be a happy child. If appreciation what to he want, when I really need my appreciation of or give yes is champion or something. Discussion. The result of research conduct on the three parents and of the subject with an in-depth interview method and observation the subject daily life with students who are subject children show that the clause of the relationship between the subject and the subject parents, the subject meaning of the subject child indicates happiness. The happiness is shown when they can take care of the child well. In the application of parenting, from the result of in-depth interviews with the subject. Research concludes that the subject applied democratic parenting in parenting dialogue. Divides parenting into three types of parenting style, Hasanah and Sukito. Subject rarely at almost never apply punishment. Subject respect children, which at profit support to the subject children in their daily life. This is in line with research conducted Prabowo et al., which states that of the 11 children studied have good academic performance, their parents apply democratic parenting, and three children apply democratic parenting, democratic or authoritative parenting. That priorities children interest, but parents still supervise and control children. By applying this parenting style, parent can enter into children's life and can understand more deeply feelings and can improve communication with children. Thus, children will feel independent but still direct and excel in our school in the academic realm. Participants said that children position as a valuable asset, life expectancy that shall be guided by the best care, a form of support, ingredients in learning, and a parenting model that liberates the interest of children and does not contain children without neglecting the function of controlling children. Is a form of family support, the closest environment in the form family environment. In this case, parents who have good relationship in their interaction with children play an important role in children achievements. In the data obtained through interface with subject, the subject positioned himself to be a friend figure in front of the subject child. The subject feels that every desire of the child can be discussed together and problem solved together. For example, the subject does not want to direct the child into a certain profession, but not subject gives input to the good and bad children of the profession. Then, in daily life, the subject does not constrain or fix certain goals. The subject free the children decide to be able to develop communication between children and subject can be established. The application of this has an impact on the subject communication with the child. All three participants say after work or not work, participant will accompany beside the child in learning, as well as remind through telephone connection so that children can be directed properly. This is a form attachment between the subject and the child in pattern assistance with parenting. Edgeworth, Blehar, Waters, and Wall defines that meaning of attachment, namely as a form of the emotional bond that is specifically and intensely established further, revealing that the attachment style is a secure attachment. This provides a responsive effect and a sense of comfort so that children will assume the parents will continue to exist, both accompanying and controlling with need, when need and feel comfortable. On the other hand, the involvement of parents in the process of accompanying children. The education taken by parents when teaching children to the interest of parents in parenting has a share in the achievement achieved by children based on data obtained from participant is that the subject always provides learning assistance to children. The subject control in time of children's learning time. The subject also before parenting first utilities that the online platform in applying the subject children's child care strategy. In this line, with research conducted by Sekartini, the higher the level of education, the easier it is to accept parenting model from outset. Furthermore, Sekartini explained that the education status of mothers greatly determines the quality of parenting. In the course of parenting, participants explain giving appreciation to children when achieving an achievement of things that show positive result, such as getting a ranking at school, successfully completing the task given, and the like. This is done so that children are motivated to do similar action. Besides, the providing motivation in the form praise word given by children, favorite things can motivate the subject child to repeat similar behavior. This is led with B.F. Skinner's operation conditional theory. Important research finds state there is a correct correlation between parenting style and children's academic achievement. Because parents who establish good communication with children and the application of dominant democratic parenting will affect children learning achievement. Democratic parenting style plays parents to provide flexibility from children for children. In expressing opinion, but parents still provide control. This parenting style can create good communication between parents and children. The results show the three parents who were participants had similarities in parenting, namely tending to the applied democratic parenting. Although in its application it had different approach, there were who provide simul assistant by always controlling and there were parents who direct when children deviate but the three participants applied good communication, namely by communicating twice to children to support children input and desire so that children can really manage their potential and make full use of it without any pressure from parents so that children can easily achieve achievement in school. Benefits of the study. Theoretical benefits of the research providing a source information to various parties about parenting patterns, parenting style. Convention for the community, namely making people more aware of the importance of parenting and the positive impact of parenting on the child academic achievement. Convention for the school, namely making facilities and support in developing educational service so that it is expect to improve the quality of the agency in developing a better education model. The benefits of for research are to provide experience for research in examining qualitative the concept of parenting and its implication for academic achievement and become material for further study in implementation of further research. This is a reference for this article. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.